guys, it's Jessie, and I kind of feel like I'm losing my mind today, but more on that later. Just realized my bra strap was out. It's not helping my mental sanity. So this morning I was cruising the Instagram and I came across a picture that Makeup by Ariel posted, who is one of Kim Kardashian's makeup artists. And I don't normally do like Kim Kardashian inspired looks, but this one just kind of spoke to me. I'll flash it up right here. Yeah, so that combined with the fact that I got those Morphe eyeliners the other day is the inspiration for today's video. So let's go ahead and get started. My face is already moisturized, but I'm going to prime with a little bit of my Tarte Maracuja Oil. And I'm gonna balm up my lips since they're really dry right now. For foundation today, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Matte Foundation. This is still getting like so much controversy and so much hate online, and I mean, let the foundation just speak for itself. I like it, so I'm gonna use it. I bought it. I'm gonna use it. Sorry, not sorry. So I talked about this in my last video a little bit, but I did get a new camera, and I have a new kind of a new setup. It's most of my old setup. I think I'm actually gonna do a video where I kind of show my setup. But anyway, I got a new camera and I got a new microphone, and I realized when I was editing my last video that the sound wasn't great. It was like very like pitchy. So I've adjusted my settings a little bit, and I'm hoping that that gets better in today's video. If not, I'm gonna keep adjusting with the settings. That's just kind of what you have to go through when you get new equipment. Obviously, you gotta deal with some changes. I fear change, but we're gonna deal with it. Yeah. For concealer, I'm gonna use the ColourPop Pro Filter Concealer in the shade Light. It's really interesting to me because even the concealers that say they're light from ColourPop are not very light. Like, I feel like this is way darker than the Shape Tape Light. I'm gonna put a little on just to see, because I just feel, yeah, I mean, since we are doing a Kim K inspired look, you know, we're gonna be contouring. I'm actually gonna go ahead and put a little concealer here for a little extra contour. Just missed the bottle and just got concealer all over my hand. That was fun. Then I'm gonna go in with some cream contour with my Wet n Wild MegaGlo contour stick. So yeah, I'm kind of starting to lose my mind, and that is because we just started renovating our kitchen. Last weekend, we demolished the entire kitchen, and now we have been sans kitchen for over a week, and the work is supposed to get started this week, but it hasn't started yet, so we're just sitting around with no kitchen, eating microwavable meals, which is making me like literally lose my mind. Our appliances got delivered last week. We've planned everything out. We know what cabinets we're getting. So yeah, not having a kitchen is no fun. I feel like all I've been eating is like veggie burgers and lean cuisines. Last night we had Moe's. It was super exciting. If it was up to me, I'd probably eat takeout every single night. But that would be a lot of money, so I'm trying not to do that. Honestly, I think the worst part is just working from home and being home basically in a construction zone all day. I think that's what's hurting my sanity. Yeah. I bet you thought I was gonna forget to blend out underneath my nose like I always do. Joke's on you, not today. This bra strap just does not want to stay contained. Jesus. So for a little extra bronziness, I'm gonna use my Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Cream Bronzer. I'm not feeling super bronzy right now. I am majorly pale. So this helps give me like kind of that natural bronzy glow in my skin. I'm gonna set underneath my eyes with a tiny amount of La Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I don't want to lose this dewiness that I've got going on, but I do want to make sure that I don't have any creasing or anything underneath my eyes. And I'm also gonna go ahead and hit my face with a layer of setting spray. So as far as eyeshadow for this look goes, it's relatively basic. First, I'm gonna use Makeup Geek Beaches and Creme. Next, I'm gonna go in with Makeup Geek Barcelona Beach, and I'm gonna pack this a little heavier into my crease. And even down onto my lid. And on the outer corner of my eye, I'm just kind of smoking this out. I'm just bringing it out and making sure it's blended. So I kind of just want it to fade out. And just to give this a tiny bit more definition, I'm gonna go in with a little amount of Deep Hue from my Morphe 39A palette. I'm gonna go in like really, really lightly with hardly any product. Tap most of it out and go in super light. I just wanna create a little bit more. So now that we have this nice neutral eye, we're gonna go in with a really bright pop of color. And for my eyeliner today, I'm gonna be using the Morphe Vitamin C Gel Eyeliner. And I'm gonna be using my Morphe M250 liner brush for this. At least trying to. Once I've got that wing in the shape that I want, I'm going in with a little bit more eyeliner and just going back over it to make sure that that stays nice and vibrant and bright. So I went ahead and finished up my eyes and my brows off camera. I kept my under eye pretty basic. I went in with the matte Costa Riche eyeliner on my lower waterline and then in with some Barcelona Beach. And I made sure to do some really major spider lashes on my lower lashes since Kim's lashes looked insane. I decided to keep my upper lashes kind of natural looking. I just went in with mascara instead of fake lashes because I really wanted to be able to see that blue eyeliner and lashes would have just covered it up. To finish up my face, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Hoola bronzer. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Milani Summer Glow highlighter. And then for a little touch of blush, I'm gonna go into this shade right here in my Morphe 9N palette. Now in this picture, Kim has like massive lips. Like at first I didn't even think it was her because the lips were really huge. I'm not going to like tremendously overline my lips because I think I just look kind of ridiculous when I try and do that. But I am gonna overline them a little bit. So I'm gonna use my NYX Nude Beige Lip Liner. Ariel is also Shay Mitchell's makeup artist, and I watched their video of how they give Shay Mitchell the fake lips, which was kind of ridiculous. I think they used like 8 or 9 products, and I'm sure he probably does a similar thing with Kim, but I'm not gonna use that many products. It's just nuts. It looks good, but it's crazy. And then over top of that, I'm gonna go in with the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. Kim's lips are seriously nude in this look, so I'm gonna go over top of this with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick as well, which is super nude. You know what? I still want this a little bit nuder. Maybe I will be like Ariel and put 9 products on my lips. After all, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury Kim KW lipstick because duh. And then I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more of my Nude Beige liner just to define kind of the outside. Okay, and to set everything in place, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay, so here's my finished Makeup by Ariel Kim Kardashian inspired makeup look. I really love looks like this. I love neutral looks with a bright pop of color. I'm definitely usually a classic black wing liner kind of girl, but after seeing this blue wing liner look, I actually really love it, and I think I'm gonna start doing things like this more in like my daily life because I think it's just fun. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.